The goal of these video tutorials is to introduce SOFA to the general public whilst also providing guidance on how to use the application to develop and deliver stories. SOFA is an application that aims to help parents, guardians, and professionals working with children with autism to create individualized stories. These stories cover a wide range of topics from personal hygiene, going to the dentist, and also COVID-19. A number of peer reviewed journals from academics at the Center for Applied Autism Research at the University of Bath provide evidence that SOFA app is effective in supporting autistic children and young people. The tutorials will visually explain how to download the application, how to create an account on SOFA, and how to use SOFA to develop and deliver stories. For more information about SOFA, please visit the website sofa-app.org.